Going on? Coach Chris here. Hope you guys had a great day. So today is the day. We're going to do a quick training. Give me 10 minutes of your time when I put that timer on. Okay? And we're going to talk about 3 ways you can get more online leads and turn them into clients using AI without being tech savvy. I had to throw the without being tech savvy out there because there's always a limiting belief where someone says, you know what, I'm not tech savvy. I can't do X, Y, Z because I'm tech savvy. You know what I tell people? Man, if you can navigate this, if you can order food off of this, if you could sit there and watch Netflix, whatever it is on there, if you could get a Lyft and Uber, you're pretty tech savvy. You can probably use AI. It's not that complicated, okay? But let's jump into this, guys, okay? And comment below, you know, if you are watching this live or if you are watching the replay. I just want to know. Okay, so 3 ways to get more online clients using AI without being tech savvy. Okay, let me put the 10 minutes on there. Okay, we are rolling 10 minutes. Here we go. And we're having some tech complications. Just give me 1 second. You know what's funny is I always test this stuff out before if there's any complications. So there had to be something once I hit the live button. All right, let's see if this works. Cool, it works. All right, here we go. So really quick, last week I did a whole training on how to use AI for content creation. So I highly recommend, again, it's only 10 minutes of your time, very tactical, very practical. I highly recommend going back and just watching that video because it's a good video to start with the baseline foundation of how to use like AI to create content. And then this video right here is almost like a part 2, right? So I highly recommend doing that. And the way you can do that is obviously, you know, you guys can watch it here on our YouTube channel, right? Or you guys can go to our Facebook group right there, and they're both there. So a couple of ways you guys can do that. And again, guys, what we're going to do too, we gave this away last week, and we have 5 free prompts on how you guys can use this for AI to create more content, start more conversations on there. So if you guys want that, just comment below the word workbook, and then we'll get you guys that as well too, okay? If you guys are watching on YouTube, just check out the description box so you guys can find it there, okay? All right, let's get into the 4 C's to more conversations, right? So I'm going to go through this, right? Three different ways. So if you look at this one, you know, you have step 1, and you have step 2, and then you have step 3. So I'm going to kind of break this all down here. So step 1, right, is you have to master the 4 C's to more conversions, okay? So the 4 C's are super important, you know, and it has to be step number 1. So if you don't get this down right, then the rest of the steps really just don't matter, okay? So what the 4 C's are, right, basically is you have content, okay? And I put here a smiley face because you're giving value, you're leading with value, with content. If you don't sit there and produce content, I mean, there's just no like relevant way for you to kind of be out there, you know, on social media and showing people the skill sets that you guys have, right? Let's just use you as a health and fitness professional. You have to get the content out there. You have to get the value out there to show people, you know, hey, I know X, Y, Z on these topics, right? All depends on your niche, your specialty, all that stuff, right? But it's a value exchange, okay? And it builds trust and builds authority for yourself too. People rely on you, so you have to create content. You just have to, okay? The second thing is really once you create content, you have to connect with people, okay? And with connection, what we call here, this is a hand. Wasn't an artist, right? But it's a hand. That basically means a hand raise. So when you create content and you connect with people, a hand raise can be considered a like, a comment, a share, or a story view, okay? That means somebody's interested, okay? Or else why the heck would they like it or comment on it, okay? So after that really kind of gives you almost a green light to start a conversation, okay? And then we do a heart here because we're not going in interrogating anybody or being super aggressive or salesy or pushy or anything like that, or a douchebag or anything like that, right? You're just going in there and having a conversation with somebody based off the connection, based off the content, okay? And we'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit, but that's it, okay? So content, connection, conversation, and if you do all of those 3 things right, the next C is basically it leads to a conversion, right? Because you built some trust right there, you give them some value, okay? You should have some authority, right, at this point. So it could really lead to a conversion, right? A phone call could lead to, a Zoom call with them, right? It could lead to, them signing up on to your program or something like that, right? But the more conversations you guys have lead to more conversions, okay? So that's why we really have to master and really kind of hammer home step one here, right? Is the 4 C's, okay? So with the 4 C's and really kind of utilizing AI for content creation, right? This is the thing you have to really double down on, is content and using AI for that. And that's why I recommend going back to the last video, because we show you guys how to actually use ChatGPT, right? And if you think about it, this is what really like AI, ChatGPT can do for you, right? To create more content, create more emails, more social media posts, Instagram, Facebook, right? You can do catchy headlines, titles. You can write SMS and text message, scripts. Sell by text. That's basically, getting into the DMs, right? You can have scripts made on that, all different variations. Your landing page copy. You can create lead magnets, right? Those are your freebies. You can create books, ebooks, blogs, YouTube, titles, descriptions. There's so many things you guys can do with AI and creating content. But you have to sit there and master that for step one, is the 4 C's, and then you have to sit there and basically create more content. The output of the content creation has to go up, right? And now that you have AI to do that, it's just a tool to be able to sit there and amplify it a little bit more, okay? So that's step one, how you guys can get more leads with using AI, is create more content using that tool, okay? Now, if we go here to basically step 2, okay, is basically, if I color code it this way, step 2, is once we have that content output, right, then we have to really focus on, the connections, okay, and the conversations. And where you guys can really use AI with that is here, is creating basically these sell by text scripts, thanking people for the love on the post, right? Asking people questions around their pain points within health and fitness, okay? There's so many things you guys can do as far as the connections and then leading to the conversations and utilizing AI as a tool to be able to do that, okay? So you don't have to sit there and spend hours thinking about, man, what should I reply? Or how should I sit there and move this conversation on there, okay? Use the tool, right? With the content output you guys are doing in step 1 to be able to support that in step 2, okay? If that makes sense. Okay, if you guys want the prompts on here, if you guys want the workbook, comment below workbook. If you guys are watching, live, if you guys are watching replay, comment below live or replay. Just want to know where everybody's at on this, okay? Now, if you go to step 3 here, okay? Step 3 is basically, let's see if I color code this again. Let's use yellow, okay? So with this, basically what you're doing is you're focusing more, right, on the hand raise post, with your guys' content, because the hand raise post is basically going to lead to the more conversations and then be able to set you guys up for conversions, right? Be able to move people on calls, Zoom calls, stuff like that, okay? So if you guys have more of these connection style posts, right, where it's you have hand raises, right, to be able to get a share, a like, a comment, a story view, okay? Think about what you guys can do with that using AI, okay? So with that, you guys can do social media posts as far as on Facebook. You guys can do those text cards. Those are really cool to get hand raised, okay? You guys can use Facebook and Instagram stories and use the poll features. You guys can use the quiz features, okay? Those are all great ways for people to raise their hands, right? Like, comment, share. Use your guys' call to actions right at the end. Oops. Call to actions at the end, telling people at the end of the post that, if they found value in this, share it, tag somebody, right, save it. Just lead people. People need to be secretly led, right, after some of these posts you guys are creating, okay? So guys, if I kind of color code this and just recap this, got 2:30 left. Step 1, right, is all we're doing is just creating more content using the tool, ChatGPT, which is AI, okay? We're just amplifying the output with that, okay? Step 2, basically what we're doing, right, is using the AI tool to move into the connection style kind of post, right? And be able to sit there and have scripts to be able to go in there and talk to people and start conversations, okay? So that's step 2. Step 3, basically what we're doing now is just creating more content with those hand raise posts, right? So that we can sit there and have more conversations, and then that can lead to conversions, okay? So those are the top 3 ways you guys can get more leads for your guys' online coaching business using AI, okay? So basically, again, guys, if you guys want these 5 free prompts on here, just comment the word below, workbook, and we'll get you guys that. If you guys want the other videos as well too, you guys don't want to search for them, you guys can comment the word below, video, and that will let us know to kind of tag you in those in the Facebook group or give you the YouTube link on there. Okay. But that's it, guys. I hope this all kind of made sense on how you guys can get more, leads. They can lead to, obviously more, paying customers, using, artificial intelligence. Again, it's just a tool, but it's a great way to sit there and help you guys amplify it. And again, if you guys sit there and literally, master, the 4 C's here, right? Really understand that as kind of like your step 1, and then putting out more content. And then more content around hand raises, likes, comments, shares. And then again, step 3, going in there and amplifying like the conversations, right? Using ChatGPT for scripts and DMs and all that type of stuff. I mean, it's gonna be a game changer for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys found value in this. So again, if you guys want the workbook, comment the word workbook below. If you guys want the replay to this video, just comment video or to the other part 1 video, and we'll get you guys that. Okay. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for the support. Hope this was valuable. Leave us a comment. Anything else you guys want to see? I'm out though. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.